Hi everybody, this is Stephanie. I'm here again talking about growing herbs in Kentucky. Today I want to talk about mint, which here in Kentucky you can get anything from chocolate mint to spearmint, everything in between, and they're all great varieties. They all have really great flavor, great for cooking, but my favorite to grow is probably spearmint. It's extremely versatile and it grows really well. Almost too well, actually. As you can see here in my overgrown garden, I have actually mint that is growing from my soil in my backyard, where I've had different iterations of a garden planted, because once it takes root, it's very difficult to get rid of. So in my new garden area that I've grown, I've got multiple layers of weed block down and things to prevent stuff like mint from showing up in the rest of my garden. But going forward, I've learned my lesson. I only plant mint in a container. So here we've got what I've done for this summer. And when I started out, this was a very small plant. This grows pretty quickly. At first, it actually looked like it might be dying and be unhappy. And then it started to spread its root system. And it started growing out of different spots in this planter, as you can see. This is a special planter that I got from a local greenhouse here, and it's grown out of multiple different areas here. These kinds of pots are great for anything with a strong root system or anything that kind of reroots itself. Strawberries is another great thing you can grow in plants like these, potters like these. But this one in particular just held a regular large planted pot of mint that I got from the greenhouse, and it's grown beautifully. And you can use these leaves for anything from adding to tea or to any refreshing summer drink. My favorite thing to do with mint is actually use it to cook with lamb. So I usually get lamb, whether it's a rack of lamb or it's a leg of lamb, and I'll take mint and parsley and other great herbs for lamb, like rosemary, and I'll pair it with mint and chop it up, and then use that with olive oil, salt, and pepper as almost like a marinade for my lamb, and it's amazing. This is a phenomenal herb to use with lamb. You can also use it in couscous dishes, anything really Mediterranean. It's a great herb that's versatile and works with anything from savory dishes to sweet dishes. So again, my recommendation is always 100% of the time plant mint in a container. It's pretty forgiving, so you can put it in a shaded area or a sunlit area. It likes sun, but it really will thrive in just about any environment. Needs a decent amount of water, but again, it's hardy and it can pretty much survive almost just about anything. So those are my tips for mint. Everything I can think of right now. If I think of anything else, I'll make another video. But again, this is a great herb to grow in Kentucky. Very hardy. If you do plant it in most areas, it will come back every year. So it's something that you can enjoy for years to come. See ya.